The phrasal verb look at means to direct your eyes toward something or someone. It is a very common expression in everyday English. When you look at something, you focus your eyes on it to see it clearly. Here are two basic examples. She looked at the painting means she turned her eyes toward the painting to see it. Look at that beautiful sunset is something you say when you want someone to direct their eyes toward the sunset. Look at has many synonyms depending on the situation. Glance means a quick look. Peek means to look quickly and secretly. Gaze means to look steadily for a long time. Stare means to look for a very long time with wide eyes. Examine means to look at something carefully. In everyday situations, the teacher looked at the students means the teacher directed her eyes toward the students in the classroom. Please look at this photo means someone wants you to direct your eyes toward the photo to see it. The basic grammar pattern is look at plus object. She looks at the book means her eyes are directed toward the book. You can also use look at plus noun or pronoun. Look at it carefully means direct your eyes toward it and examine it closely. Practice these sentences. I looked at the map means I directed my eyes toward the map to see where to go. They looked at each other means both people directed their eyes toward one another. Here are more alternatives to look at. Scrutinize means to look very carefully at something. Observe means to watch something carefully. Inspect means to look at something closely to check it. Each word has a slightly different feeling. Here are more examples in context. Look at the sky, it is so clear. Tonight means direct your eyes upward to see the clear sky. We need to look at the data carefully means we must examine the information closely before deciding.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.